And this is called Whitebird. White bird with a black tail, eyes dark and face so pale, made me look up from my shoes to show me what you stand to lose. White bird with a black tail, you look like an open sail, wondering how much you know about all of us below. White bird, with your face so pale. White bird, where'd you get that tail? White bird with a black tail. Ooh. White feathers dipped in tar, it's hard to tell how old you are. You wondering how much you know over your side of the road. Half of you is heavenly, showing off your purity. The rest of you is from the street, like a line where they both meet. White bird, with your face so pale. White bird, where'd you get that tail? White bird, with your face so pale. White bird, with a black tail. And now, you know that feeling when there's one little thing that goes wrong, and then another little thing goes wrong, another little thing goes wrong, and they all join together and gang up on you. I would imagine that that's probably been happening a bit more than usual. But that's what this song is about, and it's from my first record, and it's called Miniature Disasters. But I should introduce you to my band. It's very rude of me not to do so. Please say hello to the band. Only band that you can check into the hold on an airplane.